Hey guys, welcome back to Draw Along Doodles with Walker. So, we are going to be drawing ourselves a little armadillo. They are really cool because they really have their own set of armor with them, which you think about it, our skin is so soft and it can scratch up and bruise and dent really easily, but having those scales on his back really helps him out. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a semicircle. I'm going to angle it just ever so slightly up to the right. All right. Now that I've got that, I'm going to come and just gently curve this bottom just a little bit. So it's not a full curve that you'd put on something like a cylinder or even something that you do if you're trying to make an eyeball shape, but just a little curve. All right. Now I'm going to make a round out. So bumping out and down for his head, then coming forward, and then sloping downwards. All right, now armadillos have strangely big ears. So we're going to come one leaf shape and two leaf shapes. All right, comparing the armadillo to his back looks a little tall now that I have the head in place. So I'm just going to bring that size down. I'm making more of a petite armadillo. All right, let's come get his tail. So we're going to do half of an arch right here. And we're going to curve down like the letter C. Then we're going to follow that out. We're going to curve, and it's going to get closer together, until it comes and makes a little hook at the end. Okay, now to give our lines on the tail, we're going to follow this curve. We're going to go curve down, curve down, curve down. This one comes more across so that we get that feeling of regiments, or not regiments. What is the word I'm thinking of? Segments. There we go. I'm sure you guys have those days too where you are thinking of a word, but it doesn't work out. All right, so we're going to come straight up, first division. Then we're going to curve a little bit to the right and a little bit more to the right. We're going to keep the line arching to the right, but we're going to take it to the left of that center line. And then we're going to take it to the right of that center line. Now, behind each one of these lines, we're going to put a row of scallops. All right, here's this one. Row of scallops. A row of scallops. Row of scallops. And a row of scallops. Okay, now it's time to get our two little feet. So back here, we're going to come down and over and make little tiny toes where we see the first one, but we don't really see the second one. Then here we go. We're going to come to the front, down and out. Little tiny toe going behind. All right, now for his nose, we're going to come almost in kind of a diamond shape. So it goes out and in. Then we're going to come draw a small line back. We're going to put his eye in line with that line. So it'll be fixed up. All right, I'm going to do my tail first because there's some overlaps there that I want to take care of. Okay, now I'm going to come along the bottom of his body with that same line. And I'm going to go across for his back, around for his head, a little diamond, a little line, and a little eye. Here's one ear. Here's two ears. I'm going to show the little bend in that one. There we go. For a foot. And there. Now, I'm going to choose to use my small Sharpie on the scallops, on those scales. But Whether you want to use the regular Sharpie or the small Sharpie is totally your choice. So keep in mind there's not a right or wrong answer. For me, I like it because it helps me see and keep apart the details from the main lines. Just like you highlight or you outline or underline or even bold things in a book when you're trying to make it visible. You can do that same thing with your lines by making the lines that are the most important for people to see first bold and thicker, and then using the lines that are going to be the details, those things that people will look at after they've understood the beginning part, making those thinner. Okay. Now I have one more row of scales, and I'm trying to keep them approximately the same size. I know there's no way to be perfect, but all right. And we're going to get our armadillo tail. And there he is. Oh, so sweet. All right, guys. Enjoy your armadillo, and I will talk to you later.